Good morning, y'all, and happy Labor Day weekend. Getting ready to get the car washed up and head out to Cars and Coffee and see what we can see. And I'm going to take y'all along with me. So I hope you enjoy. Thanks for tuning in to the channel. While you're at it, please subscribe, hit the like button, and he just turned that vacuum cleaner on right in the middle of this. Awesome. Alright, let's go. Okay, for some reason the camera quit recording, but I got what I got. So I hope you enjoy. It's not mine. It's his.
Thank you, man. Appreciate it. Well, you can have done everything so much time.
This is a real deal 67 GT350 with a factory supercharger, non-restored, super cool car. Again, it is the real deal. Very nice car.
Chuck Cantwell's over the radio. He's on the 350 program. And Carol signed over the dash for
And this one here is a real deal Yanko Camaro. Really clean, nice car. can't really tell it in the video, but this car here is a Barracuda conversion with a Kenny Bell supercharger sitting on it. It's got the Barracuda grille and side graphics and side scoops. It was a cool car. I'm not a Challenger guy really, but I don't dislike them. I just don't prefer them. But that was a big Kenny Bell. I think it's a 426 Hemi, I believe. It was a cool car. And here we have a pair of McLarens. One was a 5 something and the other one was a 6 something. I can't remember the numbers. I'm just going back here doing a voiceover, but they were really, really cool cars. And this one here might have been my favorite at the show. Is a 0304 Terminator. He might have done some things to it that I wouldn't have done, but it's still a really clean car, a really nice car, and I really enjoyed looking at it. Hope to one day own one, or I'll own one day. I just don't know when. But this thing was really nice. That trunk lid that you're going to see on the back was carbon fiber. Looked like he might have had a fuel system on it. The only thing he'd done with this car that I for sure would not have done is he did a solid axle swap on it. And I think a Terminator should have a IRS, the things that it came with. Obviously you want to swap the blower out, but that's just me. Hope you liked the video.